again, I'm Yanique.
You're Yanique. So today we'll be doing a restaurant review of Lobster Smokehouse located in Green Island, Hanover. So based on the location, I would give it a 7. Based on the location, like it's very close to the main, just to let you know, pretty close to the main. However, it's right at the mangroves, and location is a 7 for me. All right, moving on to the ambience. So for the location, I touched on the mangrove and all that. To be honest, the restaurant in itself, so once you're there, you're looking, you're good to go where the ambience is concerned. But then if you shift a little to the water, can get a little shaky, so it's a 6 for me. All right, customer service. So for customer service, it's not that it was bad or anything, it was pretty good. But for customer service, I mean, there is room for improvement. All right, so I'm giving it an 8. Can work on a little bit, yeah? All right, now on to the food presentation. I ordered fish, rice and peas. I believe Ren got conch and rice and peas, just the same with some veg. Food presentation was pretty good. I would give it an 8.5. Yeah, 8.5. I mean, probably could have played around a little more with little garnishing and all of them. Something's there, but it was good nonetheless. Taste, my fish, Renouy conch. Of course, I had to taste the conch. I had to take some of his food. The conch was good, and the fish was good too. I had leftover. It was a gigantic fish because they didn't have any small ones, but it was really good. It tasted good. The seasoning and all of that, the okra, the carrot, it did bad. It did good, right? So for me, the taste, I would put it at a 9. Can still work on, but I will keep it at a 9 for right now. And then last but not least, value for money. I would say you get a reasonable amount for the amount of money that you spend. When I tie in the way the food tastes and the way it look and all of that, I would say it's a good effort. So fairly good. All right, so after value for money, we have our own opinions and recommendations. So it wasn't bad. It genuinely wasn't bad. I think it's a pretty cool spot, especially for the location. You don't find something like that in that area, within that vicinity. You usually have to kind of go to Negril or come closer to Lucy, and even then you don't have that much options coming back or in the direction of Lucy. However, where my thoughts is, if you're somebody who is gonna get turned off easily by the whiff of something, the smell of something unpleasant, my opinion, it's not gonna be a very nice experience for you, because it is pretty close to the mangrove. So that would have been my only thing. I mean, I understand the owner probably not being able to obtain another plot of land to build whatever, to have their little restaurant and all that, but at the same time, yeah. So anyways, that's my view of Lobster Smokehouse. Catch you guys in a bit.
We went to Lobster Smokehouse, and this is what we think of it. So first things first, the location. Me personally, 6 for the location. However, I think Yanique gave it a 7. Yeah, 6 for the location. The location is actually not bad, really and truly. It's just that it's right beside what Yanique calls a mangrove, and can't really work with it. There's an odor, and it kind of did turn off from the entire thing. So yeah, 6 for the location. Ambience. For the ambience, honestly giving the ambience probably a 7.5. Ambience really and truly wasn't bad, but then again, the mangrove kind of tied into the ambience, because if you're at one side, like Yanique said, if you're at one side, it's okay, but if you go to that side, water, smell, don't look clean, not nice.
Not nice!
But again, don't hold against Lobster Smokehouse. It's a very, very, very nice place. So, Lobster Smokehouse customer service, grading it at an 8. Wasn't tip top, but it was still good customer service, and I have to give them props for that. really and truly have to give them props for that, because that's not a recurring thing in restaurants these days. Moving on. Alright, so food presentation. We can't say them try, like them really try, and I have to give them an 8.5 for the effort. It could have been better, it could have been more professional, but we appreciate the fact that them actually do and look at something on your plate and make it look like something you actually want to eat and dying to eat. So yeah, 8.5 for food presentation. Alright, so for taste, giving it a 7, right off the bat, a 7. It was good, don't get me wrong, don't misjudge the scores. It was good, but it wasn't that woo, jump out of your seat good. But yeah, haven't had conch in a while. Conch. I absolutely enjoyed it. What if you had fish? Me, I'm not a big fish fan unless it's salmon, which salmon price. But anyways, 7 for taste. Value for money. We're giving the value for money a 9 out of 10. That high because really and truly when you check out the price and the food that I have on offer, the price is very good, and we appreciated the money that we didn't spend while we were there. Absolutely appreciate that. Opinions, recommendations, opinions the same as Yanique. The location is a good location, it's an easy to find location, but it's just that mangrove, which really and truly they can't do anything about. They really can't do anything about it. We recommend persons to go there, honestly. Go there, get your own experience. It's really good, and the fact that it's in Hanover don't have a lot of stuff like this, so for it to be in Hanover is very good. So go ahead, check out Lobster Smokehouse. I'm Renouy. Thank you so much for watching our restaurant review. I'm afraid you just make noise. Shh. Bye.